Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the 2025 Toyota RAV4, and spoiler alert, Toyota's playing it safe this year. But is that really a bad thing? Let's find out. Right off the bat, Toyota's made some interesting choices for 2025. They've axed the Adventure and TRD Off-Road trims, which means no more fancy torque vectoring all-wheel drive system. Pour one out for the off-road enthusiasts, but let's be real. Most RAV4 never see anything rougher than a gravel driveway. Starting at just over $30,000, the RAV4 still rocks that chunky, angular design that makes it stand out in the grocery store parking lot. Sure, it might look ready for adventure, but under that tough exterior beats the heart of a practical family hauler. Pop the hood, and you'll find Toyota's tried-and-true 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, pushing out 203 horsepower. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that, well, gets the job done. 0 to 60 takes about 8.3 seconds, not exactly setting the world on fire, but perfectly fine for daily driving duties. Inside, the RAV4 is all about that practical life. The base LE trim is pretty bare bones, but step up to the XLE Premium and things get considerably nicer. You get synthetic leather seats, soft touch materials, and a bigger 10.5-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Spring for the top-tier limited trim, and you're treated to a gorgeous 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster that really modernizes the whole experience. Let's talk cargo space, because that's what really matters in a family SUV. You're looking at 38 cubic feet behind the rear seats. Plenty of room for groceries, sports gear, or that impulse buy from Costco you definitely didn't need. Fold those seats down, and you've got a cavernous 70 cubic feet to play with. On the road, the RAV4 is like that reliable friend who never causes drama. The ride is comfortable, the steering is light, and road noise is well controlled. Sure, it's not as fun to drive as a Mazda CX-5, but most buyers probably care more about fuel economy than corner-carving ability. Speaking of which, you can expect up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway with front-wheel drive. Not too shabby for a vehicle this size. Toyota hasn't skimped on safety tech either. Every RAV4 comes loaded with automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assist. Blind spot monitoring is standard on everything except the base model, where it's optional. Here's the thing about the 2025 RAV4. It's not trying to reinvent the wheel. Instead, it focuses on what matters most to everyday drivers: reliability, efficiency, and practicality. The sweet spot in the lineup is definitely the XLE Premium trim. It gives you all the good stuff without breaking the bank. So, what's the verdict? The RAV4 might not get your heart racing, but it will get your family where they need to go without any fuss. It's like a really good pair of jeans. Not the most exciting thing in your closet, but probably what you reach for most often. For 2025, the RAV4 earns a solid 8 out of 10. It's not perfect, but it's really good at being exactly what most people need. If you want something more exciting, check out the Mazda CX-5. If you're all about the latest tech, the Honda CR-V might be more your speed. But if you just want a solid, dependable SUV that'll still be running great years from now, the RAV4 deserves a spot on your shopping list. What do you think about the 2025 RAV4? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.